एजंट जावपा एकूच कारण की आमी 1919 जे ग्रावंडा आमी हें दिल्लें परमिशन्स दिल्ली ती आमी आतां रिवोकेशनाक वयता. सो रिवोकेशनाक वी कन्सल्टेड एडवोकेट आनी एडवोकेटान आमकां सांगिल्लें की लायक you can't go for a revocation when the construction already completed. So you have to go for a demolition for it. So for the demolition, we have to go through a proper channel or proper hierarchy have to follow. So आमी परतून सायट इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक मागिल्लें हे कडेन ओनरा कडेन 1994चा ओनरा कडेन मागिल्लें. On that he replied to us saying that Baba you can't take an inspection. We consulted again to the advocate and advocate आमकां सांगिल्लें you can do the inspection. You can do the inspection with the videographer, photographer, whatever you have. सो आमी सगळ्यांक आमी ऑल द मेंबर्स 9 मेंबर्स आमी ग्रावंडार गेले आनी ग्रावंडार वचून आमी इन्स्पेक्शन केलें आनी इन्स्पेक्शन केले उपरांत आमी सगळे मेजरमेंट्स केले आनी वी आर इशूइंग देम शोपोज नोटीस ऑन मंडे दॅट इज टुमॉरो ऑर मे बी डे आफ्टर ट्यूसडे. बट संडे समज मिटींग जाली आनी लोक म्हणपाक लागलो कन्फर्म जालें नाही मिटिंगे मिनट्स लास्ट मिनट कन्फर्म जालें नाही बिकॉज वी हॅव नॉट इशूड देम अ शोकॉज नोटीस. सो तेका लागून आयची ग्रामसभा एजंट जाली. बाय ट्यूजडे वी सेंड देम अ शोकॉज नोटीस एंड वील एज पर मेंबर्स आमी एडवोकेटाकूय फॉर द अनदर मॅटर अपॉइंट करतले आनी वील टेक द ग्रामसभा बाय द नेक्स्ट संडे.
विलेजर्स बोलता तुम्ही परमिशन दिला प्ले ग्राउंडार जाग्यार स्टेडियम बांधला पंचायतीन धोड धांपून उगी रावल्या हाव
धोल धांपून उगी रावले नाही पंचायतीन जायतें काम केलां. पंचायत वचून आमी ताका स्टॉप ऑर्डर काडलो हा नोव्हेंबरा म्हयन्यात स्टॉप ऑर्डर काडला. वी हॅव इवन मेड अ लेटर टू द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट जंग हाय वोल्टेज वायर्स वयल्या वयताय म्हणून. सो आमी ओगी रावले ओके आनी वी आर स्टील बिहायंड देम. आमी लेटराचे लेटर धाडीत हाय आनी दे ऑल्सो दे हायर एडवोकेट्स तेय आमकां रिप्लाय करता. But we'll get it done. We'll get it demolished.
To the investment promotion board,
Okay.
asking whether before granting in principle approval, whether any ground study has been carried out by the IPB. They have given me a clear no as an answer. My second point I have put is whether any officials have visited the site to check on the strain on the infrastructure that is existing, the demographic balance that will be disturbed, the environment damage that will be caused, the water and power infrastructure strain that will be caused. They have given me a clear answer no. That means the IBB is just there for namesake to just approve anything and everything as comes blindly. This is on a hilly plateau, which is in fact a water aquifer and a water retainer of the monsoons, which then gets discharged into for the villagers. So, and that is the only area left beyond the industrial estate in Rasai.
Now, who are the members of IPP?
The IPP is the chairman of the IPP is Chief Minister
Pramod Sawant.
The vice chairman is Minister of Industries, who is Movin Gujral.
So that means they don't even care for Goa.
They don't only even care when the ground was completed illegally without even verifying the Chief Minister and the Industries Ministers have inaugurated the stadium.
And it is also heard that tourism is financing the.
Now, after that inauguration, there was a international tournament held of international legends where players like Bravo and Pollard and Chris Gale and other countries have participated. It was at an international level.
Okay.
Now, still since it is not declared as an investment promotion area, they needed permission from the panchayat. No panchayat permission was taken, and no completion or occupancy has been taken, and they have conducted a tournament. And here also the panchayat seems to be quite. In fact, I had informed the panchayat to approach the courts and get a stay on the tournament because it was illegal. Now today, when we have asked him about it, he says they had approached the advocate who said that in such short time you cannot go to the court.
Okay. It looked like CM is supporting the illegalities, inaugurating them also.